Chapter 52. "Everyone please pay very close attention," cried Mr. Lemoncello through a squealing, screeching megaphone. "The Dewey Decimal doors are now open, and, unlike Tuck, this game will not be everlasting. Therefore, it is time to race upstairs like the rats of Nim." Kyle and his teammates heard Mr. Lemoncello's announcement, but stayed inside Community Meeting Room B so they could examine the dusty old boot box. "It's from when Mr. Lemoncello was our age," said Haley. "Here, I'm pretty sure this is what we need." She handed Kyle a large manila envelope sealed up with tons of tape. "First and worst idea ever" had been scribbled on the front. "Awesome," said Kyle as he started undoing the tape. The clue said his first idea might be our best solution. Inside the envelope were a stack of cards, a bunch of rubber stamps, an ink pad, and a sheet of 3-ring binder paper filled with a 5th grader's sloppy handwriting. Kyle read out loud what the young Luigi Lemoncello had written. "Presenting First Letters, the amazingly incredible secret code game." Haley held up some of the cards. Each one showed a cartoony drawing in a single letter. Apple equals A, B equals B, carrot equals C, and so on. Kyle continued reading. "Want to send your friend a secret message to meet you after school? Just use your super secret rubber stamps." Miguel examined a couple of the wooden-handled stamps. The stamps matched the cards. "So how exactly do you use this junk to tell your friends to meet you after school?" asked Akimi. "This is so bad," said Kyle. "Moon, elephant, elephant, tiger, moon, elephant, apple, flamingo." Akimi held up her hand. "Okay, stop. I get it." "Maybe it was for little kids," said Sierra. "Definitely," said Kyle, "because anybody over the age of 6 could crack this code in like 10 seconds. And then he froze. "This is it!" He went to the wall with a list of library cards. What would happen if we played first letters with these book titles? Books/authors on the backs of library cards. Number 1, Miguel Fernandez. Incident at Hawks Hill by Alan W. Eckert. No, David, by David Shannon. Number 2, Akimi Hughes. One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish by Dr. Seuss. 9 Stories by J.D. Salinger. Number 3, Andrew Peckelman. 6 Days of the Condor by James Grady. 8 Cousins by Louisa May Alcott. Number 4, Bridget Wage. Tales of a Fourth Grade Nothing by Judy Blume. Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone by J.K. Rowling. Number 5, Sierra Russell. The Egypt Game by Zilpha Keatley Snyder. The Westing Game by Ellen Raskin. Number 6, Yasmin Smith Sider. Around the World in 80 Days by Jules Verne. The Yak Who Yelled Yuck by Carol Pugliano Martin. Number 7, Sean Keegan. Olivia by Ian Faulkner. Unreal by Paul Jennings. Number 8, Haley Daly. Turtle in Paradise by Jennifer L. Holm. A Wrinkle in Time by Madeline Langle. Number 9, Rose Vermette. All of a Kind Family by Sidney Taylor. Scat by Carl Hyacin. Number 10, Kayla Corson. Anna to the Infinite Power by Mildred Ames. Where the Sidewalk Ends by Shel Silverstein. Number 11, Unknown/Charles Chiltington. Number 12, Kyle Keeley. I Love You, Stinky Face by Lisa McCourt. The Napping House by Audrey Wood. "Okay," said Miguel, moving to a clean space on the wall. "Here are the first letters of all the titles. INONSETTATOUTAASAW ? "It still makes no sense," said Akimi. "Wait a second," said Sierra. "If the title starts with an article, drop that word and use the letter from the second word." "Got it," said Miguel. INONSETTAEWAYOUTWASAW ? "Okay," said Akimi. "It's making some sense." She went to the board and broke Miguel's string of letters into words. I, non, set, he, way, out, was, a, w, ? in. "Hang on," said Kyle. "It could be in, on, see, the, way, out, was, a, w, ? in." "What's in, on, say?" said Akimi. "Wait, look," said Miguel. "The book on the second and third library cards actually starts with numbers." Kyle grabbed a marker. "In 1968, the way out was a w ? In." "Hang on," said Haley. You know all those questions in the trivia contest Friday? I did so badly, I Googled a bunch of them later that night. They were all from 1968. You guys, said Sierra, I did some research too. Mr. Lemoncello was born in 1956. That means he turned 12 in 1968. Okay, said Akimi. Is this something besides a fun fact to know and tell? You bet it is, said Kyle. 1968 is key, and we don't need Charles's library card to finish this phrase. He went to the whiteboard. In 1968, the way out was a way in. So what happened in 1968? Said Haley. Was that when Charlie and the Chocolate Factory came out? Asked Miguel. No, said Sierra. 1964. So what's up with the candy clue from the art and artifacts room? We messed up, said Akimi. We need to go back and find a new rhyme for Andy. Really? Said Haley. I thought he got kicked out for cheating. Another long story, said Miguel. For later, said Kyle. Right now, we need to be on the third floor.